Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how to make this quick and easy pizza soup. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need is 1 pound of ground beef, and I have my pot set over medium heat. I'm going to let this cook for about 15 minutes or so, or until it starts to get brown. As always, I'm going to have the exact measurements in the description box below for you. I got this recipe from a cookbook that I have, and they call it a pizza soup, but to me there's nothing pizza about this soup. But I didn't want to change the name just because I love this soup so much and I want to keep it just the way it is. Now that my meat is nice and brown, just how I like it, I'm going to drain some of the oil. And I like to use my paper towel trick. If you've been following me for a while, you've seen me do this. So you just take a paper towel and you use it to soak up some of the grease. I love this trick, I do it all the time. Let me know in the comments, do you do this too? Now I'm going to add 6 cups of water to that. Two cans of condensed tomato soup. I have to say, when I first made this soup, I was a little bit worried that I wouldn't like it just because I don't really go for tomato flavored things. That's not my favorite thing. I'll eat it, but it's not my favorite. But after I made the soup, I was surprised at how good it was. Next, you're going to add 1 jar of spaghetti sauce. I wanted to rinse out the jar, so I just took some of the water and put in the jar and shook it. You know me, I don't waste anything. Okay, and then you're going to add 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning. Stir that really well and then let that come to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, you're going to lower the heat and let it simmer for 15 minutes uncovered. Okay, and this is what it looks like after 15 minutes. Now I'm going to add 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese to that, and I'm just going to stir that and let that melt, and then you're done. That was so easy to make and so good. As you can see, this is a big pot of soup. In the recipe it says that they made this in a school cafeteria, so I guess that's why it's the way it is. But if you're someone that likes a lot of meat in your soup, then this one is not for you. You'll just have to use your imagination when it comes to the meat. But the flavor is just so good, so it goes well with garlic bread or if you make a grilled cheese. But I would like to eat this with my artisan bread. It's been a while since I made that bread. Here is the recipe. I'm going to leave it linked below for you, so check it out. This is a no-knead bread. I mean, if you mess this bread up, then I don't know what to tell you. If you try this recipe, let me know what you think about it and what would you call it? Would you call it a pizza soup? A tomato soup? Let me know. All I know is that this just tastes like a really fancy tomato soup. As always, thank you so much for watching and thank you for subscribing. I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.